Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to search smarter, get instant answers and research faster, Perplexity AI is one of the best tools available today. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI effectively and get the most out of it. Okay, so first thing first, open Perplexity AI, go to perplexity.ai, which is a website, or download the mobile app. Okay, create an account, so it's optional but recommended. Okay, then be ready to start searching. Okay, ask your first question. For example, type your question like what is, for example, for example, let's say, what is dopamine? Okay, like this. Press enter, and it's use natural flowing of answers. So review the answer plus sources. You will get a clear AI generated answer. Sources, links for verification. Okay, click sources to explore more. So this is what makes it powerful. Okay, use follow-up questions to ask deeper questions like explain it simpler, give examples, compare with. Okay, so continue the conversation. Okay, like chatting with a smarter researcher. Okay, so use it for research. For example, you can use it to get your research done. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.